Come
on.
Let's go for a walk, eh? Okay, hi. Okay, hello. Kia ora, everyone. Welcome.
It's a bit sideways.
Oh, it should be alright.
Yeah,
Is it a bit sideways? Oh, it is too. I'll just keep readjusting.
hello, baby.
Hey, drunkster. Cheer, brother. How's the lean going on? Can you let me know? So today, we're at Te Puia, or NZ Maki, my old carving school. Jeez, I hope.
That's my Ronnie.
Baby, come on. So before I take you guys to the carving school, let's take you through a typical village setup. Come on. My daughter and my Mrs. Broxh is here too. Yeah, it's pretty cold. So, we'll come over to this war canoe here. So this is the area where I learned how to carve. Well, not this area, but the school is here. It's out in the background there, but we'll go there later. Hope you're all well. Thank you very much, Drunkster, Cheer the brother, and Dem Soy for the 5 bits. Guys, even though, things haven't changed here, so you still don't have to sub and all that. TNZ, thank you very much for subbing, brother, along with Jameson, and the brother Drunkster too. Okay, there we go. So this is our typical canoe setup, guys, as you can see. So all these little manayas here. I mean, I used to work here, so I'll go a bit closer. So as you can see, they take the form of a bird. So the beak and the face of a bird, but also the body of a man. So this is just one of the many forms that we have. So just making our way down. So these weren't the pack snub. Holy shit, brother. Bro, we just oh, come on, guys. And Dialer as well. Thank you guys for gifting subs, bro. You didn't have to. Bye-bye. They're just making our way down. As you can see, the canoe and the angle looks pretty rubbish. So there we go. Ariki, creative artist in Otautahi. Oh, tēnā koe. So this is a typical war canoe, as you can see. And we'll make our way into how a traditional village was set up. Baby, let's go this way. Hey, Drifty, cheer, brother. Bro, you didn't have to gift bits, bro. Along with Unfit Films and Rizo's father. Oh, thanks, guys. And bit of sad news today in terms of the streaming and WoW community. As we all know, Rick Fools passed away, which is sad. Cortez, this is my first time giving bits, but I hope... Oh, bro, you didn't even have to, bro. But I appreciate it, brother. So this little setup here is how a traditional Maori village would have been set up. Yeah, rip to Brian, brother. So this is like a typical 3-dimensional figure. It's quite an old one, really. Known as a teko teko. So as you can see, it's been worked from, and looks like it was burnt too, just from looking at it. So whoever done the paint job didn't really do a good job either. But Vishta sophisticated. Cheer, brother. So these are the tickle tickle, the first year projects that we do in the carving school, or that I did the hard stuff. And just making our way through as you can. Oh, there's a bird. So these are kind of like the traditional huts we had. Morena, brother, just before our carved meeting houses. I mean, we still had them. I mean, they don't look too bad, to be honest. They've been there for a while. So once again, just your door and your window. Yeah, here's a little explanation like on a wharepuni and all that. So it's different to a meeting house, obviously. Yeah, it's on my shoulder, brother. Yeah. I'm just looking at it now. So even now they say there's sometimes dug tunnels inside. With these typical buildings too, they actually dug down into the ground, and the roof was lowered onto the ground. Yeah. So even with all the fenced off parts here, like, well, they're supposed to look like palisades, but yeah, they're just posts in the local garden. Let's see what's growing in there. Just grass, so it's not a very good garden, I say. Carry on, Baba. Kia ora everyone, yeah. Rest in peace to the Rickful. So, obviously these are supposed to be smoked eel, but they're just tyres. And these are, what are they called, like papaho? Or kumete, so they're like large vegetable holders, but they were also used as wakamanu. They would set nets on the top and use it to try and capture native birds. Bro, what does whānau mean? It means family, brother. That's how I see the community, not as a community, but as a whānau. One big family. So here's our first big carving, guys. I personally did not take part in restoring this project. Red bands, you know my brother. How are you, my bro? So this is what we call a pātaka, which is a traditional storage house. So reason why I elevated off the ground for air ventilation, to help keep our food nice and fresh for long periods of time. It's the only way we could in those days. And also to keep out small pests and rodents, but most of all the kids. And taking a closer look at the carvings here. So this is a ruru, this face here. Hey Maya. Yeah. So one, like I was saying before, the ruru represents the owl. I mean, here's the dead giveaway here, the big eyes. And the design itself is taratara akai. It's the design we did on our 2 amo on stream, our first carvings we did. It's interesting. Oh, thanks, man. And then up the top as well, as you can see. So normally, because it's not like for any pivotal like marae area, so these carvings don't have names. Hello from America. Oh, hello, dude. Where are you? Yeah, so moving back, as you can see, the two, so these are like similar to the ones we carved. And then moving up, we have the barge boards, which are the maihis. See, that's why it's elevated off the ground, so you can't touch. Hey! Oh, pick snub. Oh, bro, that's enough, brother. Bro, you don't have to. So looking at the top, guys, the 2 barge boards, and obviously at the apex we have a carved statue and a face. So that's just a traditional setup for a pātaka or a storage house. Carrying on. You all good, Bubba? That's why they elevated it off the ground, so you wouldn't touch. And here we have a carved meeting house. Oh, miniature version, I would say. She got boots too. Yeah. How long does it take to make something so detailed? Oh, it all depends on how much you put into it, I guess. So this is the design we'll be doing on the mask. So the pākatis that you see here. So you have our high highs and the pākati. And yeah, this is a design that we'll be following on that mask. See if I can climb in, eh? I mean, I'm a big man. Alright. Yeah, nah, I'm a big man. Can't do it. So just looking inside if you can, guys. There are carved figures inside as well. But there's a much larger version as well. No, where's Wally? Yeah, the bro. So yeah, once again with the carved face at the apex. So as I was saying before, how our meeting houses are like the human anatomy. So you have the head, the arms, right at the tip of the fingers, and the amos, which are the legs. Don't think you've... Nah, bro. Okay, you ready to go? Oh, run me over, why don't you? And there's a mock setup of a hangi. So like our traditional ground oven. Are you going to go and set it up for us? Oh, okay. I've learnt a lot about my culture just from you. Yeah, true, brother. All good. Here we have a wild animal standing on the rock. As you can see, she has her camouflage on to hide from the prey. Oh god, death metal. Death metal, brother. Thank you very much. Just remember, guys, the link is just below. Hey, that's a fire. You can't stand in that. Oh, it's not. Yeah, get out now. Come on. Let's go. Thank you, Death Metal, brother. Bro, you didn't have to, like I always say. But I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. And just remember, guys, the link for Starship will be posted by the mods. Or there's a link below. It's a wild cub. Be trying to catch a fire. Yeah. Come on, I used to work here. I know where I'm going. Next minute it's closed off. So I'll show you the view of the geyser, guys. So this geyser is the largest geyser in the southern hemisphere. I've got my tourism voice on. Hey. So yeah, this geyser is the largest one in the southern hemisphere, but also it tends to go off when it wants to, really. So that's where we're going to go now. We're going to go right around, right down to the bridge. Whakarewarewa was just on the other side of the fence. So let's go. There's Mrs. Broxh. Hello from Mexico, hello from Christchurch. Kia ora, everyone. This is amazing adventure. Oh yeah, that's why I think they gave the pack to me, just so, I mean, who wants to watch me carve all bloody day every week? Rather take his on adventures too. Oh, there's solar panels there, that's new. Righto, carrying on. Oh, this is so good, mate. Oh, thanks, brother. Bro, be careful, brother. Yeah, I know. Are you trying to take a shortcut? Okay, we're going this way, guys. Whānau, Broxh. You forgot you guys too, bro. You guys are my whānau as well. Man, I miss home. Oh, as long as you find comfort in this, brother, that's all that matters. So where we're going is to a Kiwi house. So when we get in there, I have to turn my phone off just because of the light. So pretty. Hey, aloha mahalo. Hey, how you, my bro? Are you holding the camera? Oh, it's attached to me, to my bulbous shoulder. Yeah. Is that the illustrious Mitty? Yeah, bro. And this is baby. Hey. Oh, you want to hold my hand? Yeah. Echo. Oh, jokes. She just chopped me. So here again, guys, is another teko or a three-dimensional figure. So I'll tell you about the design. As you know, up the top there, it's the design we've talked about, Pākatis. But this different design here is known as Pūngā Werewere, the spider's web. Yeah, it is a beautiful day here, Tom. That's why I chose to do it today. It's Sunday, it's going to be raining. How am I in the whānau? Oh, we're good, mahalo, thank you. Yeah, so this is a depiction of the spider's web, but it also tells the story of a pūkeko, which is a blue swamp hen climbing the heavens to find its wings. So these are a representation of the legs to its feet. And obviously it didn't make it because it can't fly. How's the weather there? Oh, it's good, bro, but slightly cold wind. Now I know what it's like to be a tall person now. Okay. So this is just one of our spears we use to catch birds. It's a koi, I would say. Hello again, Mr. and Mrs. Broxh. Finished my 2-hour commute for work, excited. Oh, hey bro, San Diego. Bro, you didn't have to give bits, brother. Jeez, I just remembered I forgot my battery pack. So I'll try not to, yeah, dude, I didn't know about the pūkeko trying to climb. Yeah bro, so there's another interpretation of the design. Hopefully there's one in the school and I'll show you. I can't grab your hand if the pram's over here. Hewa. You know it would be better if you jumped in the pram. Yo, true brother, plastic. Yeah, just a bit of a something different today. So we're going to go that way into the Kiwi Centre. Oh, hopefully you can see. I mean, it is going to be dark in there. So if you guys want to read this, so I'll read it out for you. So, nā kōrero mete, talking of ancient times, Kiwi are the significant national icon cherished by all cultures in New Zealand and especially us, the Maori people. Wifey her up. Yeah, I've been trying to, but she said no. So they, yeah, if you can see that. Oh, hey guys, Korg here. We're going to see some kiwis. They're obviously not made of stone, so I'll probably squash it. So the kiwi is a nocturnal bird, and it's a long lost cousin of the moa, which is like a giant ostrich that was native here to New Zealand. And this is another, so this is a maho here guys, an archway, as you can see. So this is the example I got for the one that I was doing until we got made redundant. Land is beautiful. Thanks man. Yeah, so this is a traditional archway, so as you can see, no designs on it though. And yeah. You gave up their wings. So it's just another same setup. So you have the mask, the arms along the sides, and the legs as well. Okay, we'll go in, eh? Oh, the screens! Wow, those are huge. So, oh yeah, it is awake. So when we go in, guys, I'm gonna turn the phone off so we can't see your comments, and I'll whisper, and hopefully this little fellow will pop out for us. So let's go. Turning my phone off. My bad. Oh, we go that way. Oh. Dude, there's one here. Yeah, my bad if you can't see anything, eh? I just saw him run past before. Oh, here he is here in front of us. So that's a kiwi, hopefully you guys can see it. So that's our national icon or a native bird.
Pretty dark.
Yeah, it is pretty dark. Hopefully they can see it though. Oh, he's calling.
There's a kiwi.
Very cool.
There's a kiwi. Can you see?
Okay, I'm gonna make my way out just in case. So, geez, I hope you can see what I can. Okay, guys. Ka kite te rangatira. Who's baby? Oh. Have we? Oh, yeah, let's follow baby. Alright. Okay guys, I'm back on the chat. Did you manage to see the kiwi?
Kiwi.
Kiwi!
This way. Come on here. Be careful. Come on.
Hey guys, did you manage to see the kiwi? Let me know. Oh, cool. I'm new here. Oh, welcome King Misty. So, if you're new to the stream, my name's Broxh. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. Lost video for a bit, but heard it. Ah, damn.
Couldn't.
Yeah, I saw a kiwi. Oh, that's good. Must be too much Cole's cookies. Is that his kid? Yes, my daughter. It was a bit dark blob, but I heard it. Oh, that's cool. Love that you have an IRL. Yeah, bro. I've been using the IRL pack to show my carving as well, but I want to utilise it for more than carving. What is a kiwi? It's a native bird, bro.
Yeah.
It's a New Zealand flightless bird. Bro, stop cutting me off, bro. Hello. Love from northern Mexico. Tēnā koe, brother. Bloody hell, just. So we're almost at the geyser. How's it going? Oh, it's going good, brother. Just wanted to show you a bit something different for the Starship week. And my family's with me as well.
Come on.
Much love, Maru. Cheers, brother. Love your content, brother. Cheers, Chiloe? Sorry, brother, if I said it wrong. Where's the platypus? That was a kiwi, brother. You alright? He's gonna sit there. Come on. No one wants to watch me sit down. Hamai. Elma. Elma. Oh, okay. Chop. The good vibes there. Oh, cheer, Vanita. Cheer, brother. So right now, guys, we're coming up to another stop, which is the mud pools. So if you know Rotorua, we're famous for the smell of sulphur and mud pools. She is so precious. Oh, thank you, brother. And apologies if I missed your guys' subs while I was trying to show the kiwi as well. You heading Macca's after? Nah, bro. Okay. So this is some Mordor looking setup, but these are the mud pools, guys. Not much to look at, I know. Yo, Tupac snub. Firm handshakes from Ireland. Yeah, bro, you didn't have to give those bits, brother. Tupac snub, I hope you're doing well too, brother. Giving you the chop a lot. But she gives me the chop all the time. The smell of sulphur reminds me of home. Always pass through Rotorua. Yeah. So these are just some of the many mud pools that we have around the city. So I mean, if you fell in it, you're obviously not going to live, but you might smell good on the way down. Can't say from experience, but yeah. Looks like porridge. Now, if you guys have watched Jackass, that's what Steve-O was trying to cook his meat on. Have you seen that episode? What are mud pools? They are mud, and it's also a pool as well. Nah, it's just all the pressure coming up from below the crust, releasing the steam or the gas to the surface. And here, if you want to read the sign. Are you leaving me? No. Yeah, my baby's really adventurous. There. Thermally heated mud pools like this one that was used by Maori to treat a variety of ailments. Yeah, so obviously when we were up the top there, the geyser was going. And so the name of this geyser is Pohutu, and it's the largest geyser we have in the southern hemisphere. Obviously it's taking a break. Can you swim in them? No? You'll die. No one wants that. Ahila DH. Louis! Oh bro, thanks for the bits, brother. So yeah, this is just the typical setup of the geyser. So number 3, Pohutu, active. And Te Horu, which is just next to Pohutu, just on that side there. On that side. It's not active anymore, but you never know, eh? Oh, I almost put my hand in bird crap. So this particular thing here, the blueies, so this is where the locals from Waka, or Whakarewarewa Maori village, just over those trees there, that's where they go to swim for summer. Yeah, the water does shoot out. I mean, it's not hot, it gets cold instantly once it gets to the surface. He's going to be all good? Going to be all good? Should I wait for you? Okay. Don't want to push the pram, there's no baby in it. That's fun. Jump in the pram and I'll push you? Oh, she told me to get. The sass of the child. Anyone else moving their head to try and change the view? Oh, sorry, brother. Where is that? Ah, this is in Rotorua, bro. Is the angle quite dumb, bro? How hot are mud pools? Very hot. They can kill you. How do they use them? So they scoop the mud out and let it cool down. Your daughter is such a boss. Oh, yeah. Me and her mother are stubborn, and we just made a full stubborn baby. Where's this? Rotorua, New Zealand, brother. Pepe, haramai? Hey, mum. Want me to carry you? Elma. I'm just super immersed. Oh, that's good. You have chosen to hold your racist Tauran and priest. Oh, feels bad, man. Panda and Hunter. Nice. Where are you? Oh. You're gonna get tired. Where would you recommend to visit? In terms of tourism, I would say come to Rotorua later on when the virus is eventually gone. But Queenstown is quite good too. Did you cook in the hot springs? Yep, we did. We used kite, which is like flax fibre baskets. Put our food in and just left it in the hot pool. There's one here. I'll see if I can get to it fast enough. Because it's quite far. Much love from Gizzy, my brother. Hey, Judah, cuzzy. What's a Vulpera? Oh, they're a little fox race, bro. They're a new allied race. Queenstown. in the South Island. You're lucky to have these places in New Zealand to visit. I'm just grateful that to have a place like this, brother. You only speak English? No, Maori as well, my mother tongue. Out here wanking today. Oh, that doesn't sound right. You mean walking, brother? Cheers, Shady Gaming. Cheers, Kazi. Yeah, I'm from Rotorua as well, brother. Ngāti Pikio. Rotoiti. Do you do well streams? Not yet. I still have to purchase the piece for the stream pack to enhance the internet. So there's the blues that I was talking about there. That's where everyone swims in the summertime, all the local kids. And you can't just swim there, you have to ask for permission. And it's just all the water that comes out of the geyser, and it's pretty much cleaner than this river. I thought you lived in Hawaii. Nah, never been off the North Island, brother. So yeah, here's our geyser here, but she's obviously taking a break. So we have a cooking pool here called Ngā Rara Tuatara, which is where we pretty much take flax to be boiled, food. I mean, you can just bring raw eggs and a corn to work and take it down there. Looks like a scene from Moko, eh? Little Joe, yeah, Joe, brother. No mihi for the bits, my bro. You didn't have to see it. Send it. So yeah, that's her there. She's going off just over there. Carlio. Is it free to go there? It's $10 for locals. Free for kids under 15. $30 for adults, I think. Because of and it's only open Wednesday to Sunday. Such a beautiful place. Oh, thanks, brother. Would you ever stream the process of making a hangi? Yeah, bro, but I've got to find a place to do it first. That's the thing. You alright?
Yeah.
If you put her in the pram, I'll push her.
She won't open it.
Oh. Little adventurous. D Citro, thanks for gifting a sub, brother. Is that at Hot Springs? The place is beautiful. Yeah, it could be, bro. Might take the kids there. Yeah, it's 3 years for them. I think just you and Thunder will have to pay. That's about it. Or just let me know and I'll get you the local one. Yeah, it does smell like eggs, bro. But after a while when you live here, you pretty much don't notice it anymore. Hot surface danger here is pretty much all over the Rotorua, bro. We live in a volcano. So these seats here, or these platforms, are hot surfaces as well. I mean, you can sit on it, it's probably warm, so I'll have a touch. Yeah, it's warm. Hello! You ever been to Mount Maunganui? Yeah, bro, but I haven't climbed up Mo'o. Oh god. Aloha. Thank you, brother. Your family is adorable. How old is your kid? She's 1, turning 2 next month. Come on, guys. Heated seats like a luxury car. Oh, better than a luxury car, I reckon, brother. I will say I'm not really a fan of luxury cars. Rather have a truck that can carry my wood. And drive in mud. So yeah, this is pretty much Pohutu Geyser, everyone. Thanks for being a positive system. It means a lot for streams like me. Oh, true, brother. All good, bro. How long does a full tour of Te Puia take? So the new tours are around 3 hours from what my brother told me. They used to be shorter, but because the cultural shows ain't back now, due to like not having enough money, yeah, they had to try a different avenue. We'll go up to that lookout, eh? I have a nephew turned 2 in April, same years. Oh, chew, brother. Yeah, so this is all thermal ground, guys. So it's shallow as underneath me. Oh, fuck you. What did she say? We'll take you up my hole. Yeah, keen. Hey bro, I'm back. Oh, chew McCurdy. Chew, brother. Yeah, hard bro. May as well. I mean, tourism here is going to be cheap because of the virus. And they've dropped the prices down just to get by, which is all good. You like rugby? Yep, of course I do. Bro, I wish I could travel the world too, El Grande, but I haven't been off the North Island. Looks really nice. Oh, thanks, Comedy Raider. I just want to stream well, brother, but I will soon. I've got to get this piece for the bag. So here's the view here, guys. So that's the blueies there where the local kids go to swim in the summer. And yeah, just along with the Pohutu as well, the Geyser. Which is the best of the geothermal parks in Rotorua, bro? We want to see one next week. Bro, I've only been to this one. Eh? Like, yeah, I can't really say Waitomo or Waimangu Volcanic Valley. Sorry. Yeah. So just over the. Oh, I'll show you when we move out. So this is pretty much the view, guys. There's my family sitting on those steps taking selfies. How vain is that? Nice view. Yeah, it's all good, eh? I just wanted to show you guys. But the real thing is coming up soon. What I really wanted to bring you guys here for. Strixman Unleashed. Cheer, brother, for the bits, bro. You didn't have to. Nice jacuzzi there. No, bro, it's not a jacuzzi, trust me. So the lake doesn't melt you like Yellowstone. Nah, bro, but Rotorua is connected to Yellowstone. Yeah. So just over the fence, just over there, is Whakarewarewa Maori village. We could go over, but I ain't jumping no fence, not with this body. So much for doing this, makes my day. Oh, all good, crazy. I'm just happy to do it, brother. All good. You are the man. No, reported dog. You are the man. Is the park next to a volcano? We're in a volcano, bro. Living in one. When are you getting merch that says thank you, but you didn't have to? All I say, it's in the works, I guess. Yeah, I already told them it smells like rotten eggs here. Hello. Hey, Baba. So only you can have bougie dinners up there if you're like exclusive, blah blah blah. His smell vision. Trust me, I ain't wanting smell vision. Hello. Are you just gonna play in the rocks? Come on now, Boomy. Enough earthbending for today. Come here, Donny. Are you ever scared the volcano will erupt? Oh, if it erupts, it erupts. Not much you can do about it. The tree walk in the Whakarewarewa forest, if you haven't already, bro, is beautiful there. Yeah, that's something I want to do too. Go to the redwoods with the pack. Hey, stop littering with your stones. We'll take them back. Come on. Pārakiki, yeah. Alright, time for bed. Have a great day, everyone. Much love. Oh, pack snub. Bloody hell. You didn't have to, brother. Just, you know. But I appreciate it, my bro. Thank you.
We're up in here now.
Where's this Te Puia, brother? Located in one of my hometowns here in Rotorua. Got to the wharenui and then the school.
Come on.
How much have you managed to raise for Starship? I believe we've made over, what, like 12? Or just 11 and a half, I believe. There's lava bending. Bro, I'll tell you now, Roku, in Avatar Kyoshi, we're lava bending in the first seasons of Avatar. We need Mr. Beast. Nah, he's alright. What time is it there? So it's like 10 to 2. So we're going back up there. We're going to go up to the school. We deserve it, my man. Good night. Oh, good night, brother Paxnub. Yo, 12,400 for Starship, guys. Thank you very much for helping them out. Bro, that's so cool. So they emailed me last night, and I'm excited to get like a written letter from one of the kids that was saved by that specific plane. Bro, I'm excited, eh? Yo, this is dope. Cheer, brother Nomad. Why are you limping? Oh, because I got a sore leg. This one's sightseeing. You don't have to bring your rocks. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. The doctor. Twitch Prime. Bro, next time you have Twitch Prime, brother, you don't have to sub to me.
No.
Did you grow up here? No, I grew up in another place. I can take the stream pack there, but there'll be zero coverage because there's no coverage there at all. She's gonna sleep good tonight. Oh, bro, I'm looking forward to that. More time to play WoW. I watched the last Airbender movie this morning. It's okay. Some of the characters were too different from the cartoon. But I thought it was way off, eh? Oh, T-Dye, a bit of a fantail. Yeah, I didn't really enjoy the movie. I think the character that looked like the most to its cartoon counterpart would have to be Upper. But cheer, brother Fanta. Baby Earthbender. She hasn't let them go, eh?
Come on, up in here.
Are you gonna let them go? No? Look at your nose. Come on. We get it, you got good squat form. I'll smoke you though. Oh, come on. We get it. I can squat more than you though. Nah, those ones. I'm off to bed, it's 5 AM. Oh, Bandy, you have a good night, brother. Cute kid. Ah, thanks man, she takes after me. Is she pooping? Nah, she's just good at squats. Looks peaceful to take a stroll. Yeah, it's even better in the morning when the mist is in here, I reckon. Oren, eesh. I bet you play Final Fantasy X. Thanks for subbing to the channel, brother. You didn't have to. Just, yes. Subs, gifted subs and bits. You don't have to do it here, brother. Avatar Aang and Avatar Korra. Avatar Aang, bro. I don't reckon they could beat the first seasons, eh? Those were the best. Come on. Oh, you are so gonna be tired after this, my dear. Team Aang, yeah, bro. You ever played? Yeah, bro. I played all the God of Wars, brother. The latest one is definitely a favourite. Do you like Formula 1? Nah, brother. Sorry. Beautiful country, my friend. Oh, thanks, Choice Solution. Bro, you didn't have to resub. But appreciate you, my brother. Thanks for supporting. Just know you don't have to. For next time. Is there dangerous animals around here? Yep, he's wearing the stream pack. Nah. Nah, no dangerous animals around here, brother. I appreciate you, Broxh. I appreciate you too. Zixa? I've never seen Avatar. Oh, damn. Our little earthbender again. Storing rocks in her pram. Favourite character in Avatar? I believe the chat will know this one. Oh, true. Coromandel. True, my brother. Korra broke the Avatar connection to his ancestors. Yeah. Oh, I didn't really like that one, eh? Like that whole season. The most dangerous animals are birds. Oh, I don't know. I reckon the deer are pretty hearty, and the pigs, or the bulls. He's alright? Oh, collecting stones. I'm gonna go up to the meeting house. Is that okay? What do you think of Final Fantasy? Good series, good games. I only ever liked 7 and 10, to be honest. So Uncle Iroh was my favourite character. Yeah, see, fans I knew. Along with Avatar Roku. Oh, she's pushing the pram. Baba! Baby! Elma! Hamay! Hamay! Oh, run off into the bush. Did you love Avatar? Oh, bro, of course. It's a good cartoon. Some call it an anime, but I call it a cartoon. But thanks, brother. Where's your favourite place to travel? To be honest, bro, I've never travelled. Are you sure? I have never been off the North Island, my bro. Look at the blue sky. You like Naruto? Yeah, brother, but I don't think I'll ever watch it through ever again. It's like really long, eh? So Kakashi, Jiraiya and Hashirama were my favourites. Iroh was such a good character. Yeah, bro. Do you like Assassin's Creed? Yeah, of course. Black Flag was my favourite. I didn't really enjoy any of the other ones after that. I haven't played Odyssey. I'm looking forward to Valhalla though. Uncle Iroh will be dope to have a cup of tea with. Yeah, definitely. Shout out to everyone in Canada. Yeah. Yeah, sorry if I'm limping out. Yeah, got a sore leg, but yeah, it's alright. Favorite enemies? My hero, Demon Slayer. Starting to get into Fire Force. One Piece is good for a few sections, but I won't watch the whole thing. Is that your house? No. The vibes Black Flag gave me. Yeah, bro. I really enjoyed Black Flag. Oh, someone's having an interview out on the marae. So here we are, the marae Aotea, with the meeting houses. So a week ago I showed you guys the front of a meeting house, but today we'll be going inside this one. Fairy Tale, oh yeah, it was all good. I didn't really watch it that much. So here we are at the meeting house, guys. So the name of this meeting house in particular is Te Aro Nui Arua. And like I mentioned before, at the apex of the meeting house you have the face. Sometimes it's a carved figure. And on either side of the barge boards, which are the arms right to the ends, that have the 3 or 4 fingers, which represent birth, life, death, and sometimes the afterlife as well. And the 2 carvings that are standing up straight are the amo, which are the legs. And going back to that story I told yesterday about Tāne Mahuta talking to a specific carving, which was the Popo Kaiawha, which sits out the middle of the front of the house in the middle. There he is right there. Yeah, so sometimes when there's a carved figure at the top and there's carved figures going along the barge boards, those can represent like the descendants, because genealogy is a big thing to us. So here we are now, going in. There you are. There. Okay, let's straighten it up, eh? There we go. So like I said before, every meeting house has a door and a window. Now the windows are only ever reserved for the dead to be taken through. And this design at the top, the swirl, is called a takarangi, which can be a representation of a galaxy or a black hole. Now I can't tell you how the ancestors figured that out, but that's how good they were. So we're going to go inside. So we're inside the meeting house now, guys. Now with this meeting house in particular, you usually have ancestors carved right around you. So I'll go to the middle of the house. So that's the Potoko Manawa there, which is the heart of the house. So it's right smack dab in the middle. So looking around now, everything is fully carved within this house. So as you can see, this is a representation of some Te Arawa style, which is the local tribe, and some of them may be Rongo Whakaata as well. So just looking down, right around. She's off, Kazi. With this meeting house, bro, because it's open to the tourists, you don't have to. Some of us still do it, but yeah. Mainly because, yeah, this is where the cultural shows were held. Obviously they're not anymore, well for now. So the stage is empty. Do you take your shoes off when you go inside? Yeah. So looking around, so looking above, we have the rafters here, which are ngā heke, and also the tāhuhu, the middle beam running right down to the back of the house. That's the spine of the ancestor. So these beams coming down are the rib cage, and then obviously you have carvings at the end of them. Now if you take a look, this is a modern marae, yeah, kind of, mainly because it's open to the world. So if you take a look at the meeting house, how this side is smaller as opposed to this side here. So when we have visitors, we let them sleep on the much larger side with all the room. And then everyone, like what we call tangata whenua, the locals, would sleep on this side. It has a little bit of room. Colour palette for the building is a bit strange, but I like it. So the colour palette itself, bro, so we only ever use 3 colours. White, red and black. So those are the colours that come from the separation of Ranginui and Papatuanuku. So the black represents the darkness, and then the white as the separation of the Sky Father and Earth Mother started to happen, and then obviously light came in, and then with the blood being the people, or the battle against all the brothers, the atua that happened after that. Are you religious? I only believe in the Maori gods, bro. I don't really follow the faiths of others. So this individual here, guys, his name is Hone Taipa. He was the master carver of the carving school when it opened. And he was the master carver that led the project to this entire house being carved. Oh, hello. Yeah. So that's him there, guys. Hone Taipa. And yeah, that's the one that came up with we don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. And it's a quote we all live by. So I'll go closer to some carvings. I love how you explain your culture, I appreciate you. Oh, thanks, brother. Lucas Lloyd, thanks for subbing to the channel, bro. You didn't have to. So here's that design I was talking about, guys. Pakati. This one is called Niho Taniwha, which is a bit different to the one we're doing. Just adjustments. Yeah, brother. And here's those Manaya figures again. Beak of a bird, eye, and the body of a man. Compared to most marae I've seen. Oh, there are much larger ones than this one. Like the Mātātua back home and in Whakatane. Those are some of the biggest meeting houses I've seen. Orake, that's a big wharenui as well. Hey, Tired Yeti, what happened? Oh, bro, thanks for subbing, brother. And the real 27 Savage. You didn't have to. Yeah. So here's that punga wiri I was talking about. So you have the spiral, and then the legs of the pukeko, or the swamp hen. Yeah. Do you know what that is? Yeah. Okay. Those are actually the ankles. What are they holding? So these are just some of our weapons that we have. So our shorthand clubs. So this one's called a kotiate. So this has like 2 notches that you can see on the side. So usually when you cut into your opponent's body, you'd flick it around, and hopefully these notches would catch organs and pull them out. And along with the wahaika as well, this is another variation of shorthand club we have. Hey, I'm trying to stream. Has any marae been destroyed or vandalised over time? Not that I know of. Do you know any marae that's ever been vandalised? Yeah, none. No. See, this is a kotiata, wahaika. It's the same as well. The takarangi. Oh, yeah, it can be used on a waka. You put it on, what is it? Taurapa on the back. True, Ngāti Awa Tūhoi represent. True, bro. Yeah, I'm from Tūhoi as well. Yeah, so this is in the shape of a wahaika. So it's got the same notch as well. And then you have the face of your ancestor. It can also be used to stop a weapon too. Those aren't gems, bro. What the eyes are is abalone shell, which is a very yummy thing, seafood, I would say. Yeah, so I'll just make my way across. Yeah, so for our weapons we had hardwoods, we had whalebone, and obviously greenstone, as you can see. Where can I find out more about the gods? So just type in Atua Maori, bro, in Google. Or you can just ask me. But it's all good, bro, either way. Yeah, I don't think you'd live long if you vandalise the meeting house. I mean, we don't need to touch you, the spirits will. You ready, Mowgli? Where can you harvest real greenstone? So you can only ever find greenstone in the South Island, bro, of New Zealand. There are some that have traded up here in the North Island, but yeah. I read something about someone being... Oh, Chew and Gizzy! I was wondering if it had racism or something. I'm actually not sure. I haven't heard of it myself. Hey, where are you going? Are you off again? Are you going to leave us? Okay, I think that's a yes. Baba, hoki mai. So this is just a flax plant that we use for many different things in terms of weaving, making our garments as well. As you can see, just going down there, how you have the shoots that are on the outer edge. So these shoots here would be the ones that we would cut. We would never cut the middle one, because we liken it to a family. So yeah, so take me for instance, my family, so this is me, and anyone else in my whānau, and the middle shoot here would be my baby. So you wouldn't want to cut the middle shoot because then the plant will die. So it's kind of like the generation that carries it on. Looks like such a peaceful place. Yeah, it's all good, bro. Come here, where? Should we go to the carving school now and go and see Uncle? Want to go and see Uncle? Go see Uncle? Okay guys, I'll show you this, the Pautoko Manawa here, which is the heart of the house. Excuse me, darling. No, yeah, I'm going to show them the Moko. Yeah, so these are just some of the facial markings we had. Hey, don't be loud. So you would receive these markings as you grew up, starting from 13 right up until you got it completed. So yeah, as you can see, so this design here is called Rape Rape, and we did that on stream too. So it can represent many things. Your fingerprint, even by one carver by the name of Isaiah, he mentioned that it's like a rock being thrown into the water, with the ripples cascading up. And I've heard many different variations to this design. But yeah. Man, she's so well behaved. Nah, she's not. She's just being nice because the camera's on.
Come on, let's go.
You ready? Iku. Can you see Uncle?
Come on.
Oh, she said no. What a sad guy. This looks beautiful. Ah, yeah. So there's a fibre that sits inside these plants as well, just on the top edge here. So you have a shiny side and a dull side. So you would, hey, don't break it. Leave it. Little destructor. Yeah, so you would make a slight incision here and use a mussel shell and peel this off, and the flax fibre that's sitting on the top will eventually reveal itself, I would say. Honestly love the Kiwi accent. Cheer my boat. Okay,
Come on.
coming up now
Running.
to the school. So this is where the man Broxh came to upskill in the art form of carving. The man ate a lot of pies in his years here, made a lot of trips to the cafe with that staff discount, but here we are. Kia ora, Manny. Tēnā koe, bro. So I don't know if you can see him, but I hope you can. So there's Uetonga here. So he was the one that created the tattooing style that we have, which was the facial markings. And just up the top here we have Maui. Now there's many versions of Maui, many different ways he's depicted, and this is just one of the many. Him fishing up the North Island. What kind of pie? Anyone that was nice, brother. Yeah, so we'll make our way into the school. Would you get that discount today? Probably not. They'll go, you don't work here anymore. Like, oh, feels bad. Oh, this little wildling ripping the bark off the tree. Not long to go, sorry. Okay, we'll make our way into the institute, guys. How much would you charge to be a tour guide? Oh, I don't know. How much is the Brutosaurus mount on WoW? So those two carvings I talked about yesterday that could speak in the meeting house, this is them here. Just one of many versions again. So Feri in Fera. Whereabouts do you weigh a pie? In my stomach. If I feel heavy, then it was a heavy pie. Okay guys, making our way in. So these are some of the weapons that our ancestors used. As you can see, you got whalebone, pounamu, which is the jade, and that grey wacky river stone. So you'd usually get the measure for your patus from your elbow right up into your fingers. Long boy pie. Yeah, so this is them. I personally have never worked with stone. So yeah. So here's a little something on the school too. So it's the Maori Arts and Crafts Institute at Te Puia, established by an Act of Parliament in 1963 to promote, preserve and protect Maori arts. So it was Sir Apiranga Ngata that bought this in to light for our people. And yeah, it's a non-profit organisation, and the way they make their profits is by tourists coming in and leaving, and they divvy out that income throughout the staff here. But because we got no tourism, the government's helping out just to keep the schools and the art forms flourishing. Would you like to try working with stone? Yeah, if I ever do, I'll try and apply for the school, the stone school. But my heart's in wood carving. So there's another piece there, which is made out of whalebone with the abalone shell too. Yeah, you want to use those, you little warrior. Cheers, Steve. So these are some of the tutors, guys. Yeah, there, look, there they are. So this is Rick, Stacey, and one of the tauira down here too. Yeah, just bringing them around to have a check. Yeah, so these are just some of the many forms we've used. All made by students and the tutors as well. Oh, yeah, look, he's even get a personal look at one. Yeah, he's a lucky. Is there any spoons there? Yeah. How long has it taken you to do that one?
It's about 3 weeks.
3? Ooh, far out. Yeah, who is it? Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
5 generations of this tariha whānau.
Far, true.
Yeah. Going back to Oni.
Wow, that's handy.
Yeah. And so he wanted portraits, so
Oh, yeah.
he's commissioned them for his family.
Yeah.
And the 5 generations, the later generations have got photographs.
Yeah.
And so he sent me a photograph, a black and white photograph.
Yeah.
And I sent him to make, try and make it look like him. So
Ah, true. That's a,
capture the
yeah.
portrait.
Yeah, yeah. He looks like it too. But the hair is mean. Mean too, bro. Yeah, everyone's buzzing up. Yeah, yeah. Making us run everywhere. Oh, yeah. Oh, having fun. I'm just doing it for fun and just to show our culture. Yeah. 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 Come and show these naughty fellas too. Cheers, bro. You have a good day. So here's some more detailed pieces here, guys. So you can see, that's all out of whalebone. Those two there. Yeah. So it looks pretty good, eh? And then this is kind of a newer venture for the carving and art schools, which is the Bronze Foundry. I forget, Inns is the country and I live here. True, brother. So yeah, so they cast all our carvings and make like bronze moulds out of them. So obviously everyone will be familiar with the League of Legends rank, which is bronze. Some detail here, brother. And this is what they come up with. So I know most of you won't know this particular piece here, but this is one of the most famous shorthand clubs in the world. Like everyone uses it, a picture of it. Everyone. Is any of my mahi here? Oh, I hope so. That's what we're going to see today in the... There's some calling out to your uncle. Okay guys, I'm going to show you something important, which is the graduate board. So guys, this is just an indication of how many intakes there have been. There's over 38 on here. My brother's name is here, Kraitiana. And but at the top there we have Clive Fugel, who's the master carver here, and James Rickard. So they're two of the original students that are still here as master carvers. So I'm supposed to be on the board, but my name will probably be like here. So they haven't made a new board yet. Can we meet him? Yeah, you'll meet him soon. So that's the graduate board there. So when you graduate, you get your like iwi affiliations, Te Arawa Whakatohea, and so on. Oh, a cube aqua biscuit. Soggy biscuit. Thanks for the subs, brother. Bro, you didn't have to. Just come and watch, brother. All good. So this is where Broxh learnt how to carve. So we have some of the current students, master carvers in here as well, doing their work. So this is Tokipo Tangata, which is a traditional adze blade. So you have the pounamu and the rata, the handle. So those were only reserved like for chiefs or people of high status, I would say. School of Hard Brooks. Yeah, so this is just some of the bros. They're still yet to return, the majority of them. Yeah? You alright? Oh, hold on, guys. Baba. She's looking at her uncle. She was scared of him before, but just spent time with him. Actually, her, not her godfather, but her guidefather. Yep, uncle your nose. Wipe. Oh, sorry, I just showed you. So this is a wakahuia done by one of the current master carvers that's here. So these were used to like hold your bird feathers, one in particular being the huia, which is the most renowned bird we have, which is also extinct now. Dude, bro, you're the best. Oh, cheer, JG. Cheer, my bro. That's him there. So the master carver that did that. Where is he? Oh, there, he's working down there. Hey, koro. So I'll show you some of the designs now. So here's that one taratara akai we were doing. That's it there. So you see his teeth incorporated into the design here. So cool to see you at the Institute. Yeah, bro, good to be back with all these naughty buggers. Yeah, here's that core 5-5 designs you would have seen in the meeting house. Just all the flows here, as you can see. So if you were to put this in a genealogy perspective, the main line here would be you, then my partner, or me, so not you, me, my partner, and then my child. So, hey, pal, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Damn, this is cool. Oh, I'm glad you enjoyed. So this is the manaya, that bird figure I was talking about. Yeah, just a manaya creature with a bird-like human head and a figure of a man. So this part here, so you see the head, eye, nose, mouth and a tongue. And the arm, which has the 3 fingers, or in this case 4. So, yeah. Good sound, eh, brother, hearing those mallets tapping away. So this one here is Pakati Hai. So this is that difficult design I was talking about. But they come with different variations as well. So whakarare is these bits here. You can just watch for free. Yeah, you definitely know, brother. So this is a design called Rauru. As you can see, it's not the same as this one, where it has the small section here and it separates the 2 lines. So why they named this Rauru? After this man here, who was a master carver. So that's the name of this design here. And a korurangi, this is just another variation of a pakati. So yeah, these are just some of the many difficult designs we have, but wait for it, there's more. So I'm actually down on my knees just to give you a good view. Oh jeez, pal. You didn't have to, brother. You just can just watch. Yeah. So there's the fingerprint again on these ones here that I mentioned before again as well. Almost at one. Oh, bro, it's all good. You guys are here, that's what matters, not the numbers. So uno nahi, so that's the representation of the fish scale. So I was drawing it on a piece last night that I might show you guys later on this evening. My nan would love to have a talk with you. She loves our culture also. Nice, brother. Yeah, and then kiri kiore. I find this difficult to do, this design in particular. I mainly get mucked up with the spirals and the flow. But this represents the skin of a mouse, a New Zealand mouse, native. When you rip the skin off, this particular design is underneath. Wish my school trips were fun. Oh, cheer, brother. Hey, you're a master carver. Far from it, my bro. Far from it. And raupunga. So this is a design, pakati design, that's usually used by my tribe. And it represents like a fern, as you can see how fern blades pan out. It's like the picture here. And Maya mentioned before, the takarangi. Is it used on canoes? Yes, it is. on the back of the canoes. So it's usually used on the tauihu, the taurapa, sorry. Yeah, rip the skin off, I mean, who wants to eat skin on a rat? You're a master carver in my eyes. Ooh, I can't claim that, brother. Never, never. So here's the rapis here that I mentioned before as well. And it's a design you'll usually find, I don't know if I can show that. And very next, can I show someone with cultural tattoos on the bum? Is this cut school? Yeah, used to be. Let me know please, in Phoenix, surely. I can show cultural tattoos on the old behind. Yeah, you'll be alright. Oh, okay. So there, this design there, rapi, you'll find, so this is a puoro, which is bestowed upon, so this can signify that you're one of the fastest warriors or a warrior in the tribe as well. That's a particular spiral there. Yeah, just stay on. So this is something I want to receive soon. And the puoro is this design here that also goes with the designs on the legs. It can represent speed and wind as well. And here's that punga were I mentioned, the spider's web. And a po were, which is just another variation but with the pukeko story as well, which is the blue swamp hen. Ooh, my knees were quite sore from that. So there's my brother down there working on his piece. So these are all the boys here. So there's one of the master carvers there from the first intake. And he's the Yoda of the school. Along with their fellow, the green scarf, he's another master carver. Yoda. Cheer, brother. Get up, boy. Get up, boys.
Dodo's here.
Oh, I stole mahi. I stole mahi. Fucking cheeky cunt. Get up, boy. Oh, yeah. We'll take the elevator. Oh, is it? Is it? This bloody elevator is always out of order here. Okay, push the button.
Really? Why don't we just go down the stairs?
Steps. You want to carry this down the steps?
Oh.
I'd rather take the lazy route. Oh, trying to sandwich me in the doors, baby. Thank you. Get them all streaming too. Yeah, hopefully one day. Oh, actually, it's this way. You famous there, bro? Nah, I'm just one of the boys, bro. And there's my auntie. Hey, auntie. So now we're in the weaving school. Kia ora. This is my auntie Hick. Say hello.
What? Oh, shit.
Hey there.
Sorry.
It's my auntie.
She had another Moko on the bed.
No, not yet. I'm just showing them around the school.
How's your mum?
She's good. Still weaving. Yeah.
Oh, you've gone big. Hello.
No. Yeah, I just showing everyone around.
She doesn't let us tie it up.
Yeah, right.
She's got big hair.
She see Nanny?
Yeah, all the time. Her and Nanny Nan.
You speak Maori? She's
Yep.
trying to speak Maori?
She can do both. Still
Where's your
not.
mum now? Where's she?
She's living out at
No, but when she's not at Lemoine, is she still there?
No, she's just looking after Nan.
Oh.
Kia ora. Kia ora.
How's mom?
She's good. Yeah. She's got no ears too. Okay, I'm gonna go and show them to the kura. Okay, boys. Let's go into the institute, guys. Hey Chiefy, how are you? Hey, there's the master carver, guys. He's Yoda. Oh, I'm streaming. So about 1,700 people can see you. So he's one of the most renowned carvers we have here in the school. Yeah. What are you carving, Chief? A door?
Two doors.
Oh, yeah. Oh, true. Oh, up north. Oh, yeah. True. Oh, yeah. Yeah. True. Yeah. Bit of a hoiroa too, eh? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Is that the one Aaron's doing? Oh, okay. Sorry guys, yeah, so this is the institute we came to learn. Cheer, brother. Come and say hello. There's Carafe Man there. Yeah, come and show off your mahi. Am I not allowed in? Yeah. Am I allowed? Hey. Okay, exclusive. Here's my brother and his piece here. Stand it up for us, brother. Cheers, this is my brother's piece, guys. He's still shy, which is understandable. So this is one of the it's from Matatu apparently. So this is a tribal style mask from our homeland. Yeah. There's my Angry Koro at the back there. He's really going to tell me to get out soon. Nah, shame. He looks grumpy. He's so handsome though. Ooh, bit of a skux. They think you're handsome. Oh look, you're in front of the camera without running away. Just I want to. There. There's Baba. So yeah, this is the carving school, guys. I'll just take these around. Ooh, DMCA music. Might get banned. Get a boy.
Get a boy. Or shall I hold you with the camera?
Oh, camera? No. Yeah, so this is the bros piece. This is the bros piece here. There are two doorways for Ngāti Wai, which is a tribe up north. See, I was listening.
So what are you working on?
Oh yeah.
Oh, just in case they ask me the next time.
Yeah. Gee, me.
That's the one. Because they've been making me do it.
Nice.
Did it when I was in. We told us to draw everything onto the other side, so
Yeah.
right over there. We're going to get there, just looks like I just did it.
All good, my mate. Yeah, I'll just carry on showing everyone around the school.
All right.
Good to see you back in the school, though.
Cheers, my mate. Thank you.
Cheers, brother. Yeah, you can just say hello, bro. That's all good.
Hey, what I was talking about, you hear it today?
Cheers, brother. These are some of the students, guys. Cheers, brother. Two Holmes.
Right?
Two Bob.
How you been?
All good, all good.
The video glory.
Nah, no video glue.
Video making glory there.
Hey, Koro.
Get ready, folks.
Good to see you. Yeah,
bloody
yeah, you can talk to them if you want. Yeah, so that's my grandfather. They're both master carvers as well, along with the gentleman at the back there. Yeah.
Oh, you're bloody doing it just now.
Yeah,
It's a normal conversation.
yeah. Pretty much, yeah. I just come to show them where I come to upskill.
Yeah, nice.
Hey. Oh. I can't pick. Oh, jeez. You're heavy. Look at this. Great, Koro. Okay. Oh, me and Koro. Oh, he's doing well. Looks like.
Good as can be.
Yeah, yeah.
So many bloody changes.
Yeah, yeah.
Come on.
Readjust and all that kind
Yeah.
of stuff. That's
Yeah. It's good to be carving, hearing this again, the tapping.
it's been a good 2 days, the boys.
Yeah.
back.
Yeah, I was going to come up on Sunday, but the weather was good, so come up today. Oh, you have a good day. Good to see you. Good to see you, Chiefy. You have a good day too? Oh, she's good. She's living here with Mum now. She won't let her go home because it's too cold. With her useless son. Yeah. You have a good day, Koro. Okay, guys. There's the catch-up done. Here's a taiaha here, finished one. This was done by the bro Jake. Sorry, I was catching up with the boys, guys. Apologies, but if I haven't seen them in months or even a year. Can people who aren't Maori carve cultural pieces like these? Oh, they can try, I guess. But with the school, I mentioned before, it's only open to people with a connection to a Maori ancestor. Looks like a prison, eh? Yeah, I'm going to go through the gallery and then show the carvings out the front. Want me to text you? Oh, just come. Will you get a growling? Oh. Oh, all good. They said hello too. Got us a young sig. Got us a young sig for the camera. See you, brother. I'll text you soon. See. Bring him along. Nah, he doesn't want to. Nah. Hey, he's gonna play with the bean bags, or we're gonna go in the gallery? Okay. How long do you work at the school? So it's like a 3-year program. He sounds like a good guy. Oh, he is. Not because I'm biased, because he's my brother. Pretty much grown up with him since day one. What good is this? New Zealand Māori Arts and Crafts Institute, but now we're in the gallery. As you can see here, just some of the high-end pieces produced by past graduates as well. What a show, got a lot of them already. Too crazy. Thank you, my brother. Yeah. So this is a level I hope to be at one day. So as you can see the design. And then boom, back out again. Yeah, these are just all done by past graduates. Along with another one. Just push it. Yeah. Well, you have to stay there and hold the door and we'll go home. So here's the level of detail again, guys. So as you can see, a fish, eel, along with a crayfish down here. Food gatherer. So this is just high-end stuff in here. Holy, yeah, bro. I hope to be at this level one day. One day. There's another one here. As you can see, another three-dimensional figure. So this is tortara as well, red pine. So it's the same wood as the piece we're doing. The difference with this is it's stained. As you can see. What's the thing for the inlays? So these are just abalone shell, brother. So there, another one. Yeah, it talks about like when muskets were introduced to our people. Miss my people back home. Oh, nice. I have one of those. My koro calls him son. Oh, true, brother. Yeah. As you can see. He's got a pistol. Yeah, so it's probably just mentioning the musket wars that we had back in days of old. Tattoos using like modern methods. Yeah, bro. We use tattoo gun. If we use traditional methods, probably die because they're carved into the skin. And here's some pieces that we've done out of jade. So here's a tiki. So these represent like a baby or a child, hence the reason why the head is tilted to the side. So that's one of the most renowned like forms we have. Can someone clip this so I can show Panda, because he's been wanting one of these too, him and for his wahine net. So I would appreciate it if someone could clip this just for the tiki. And some other forms we have here as well, done by the Greenstone carver we saw earlier. And here's one that's shaped like the end of a taiaha, which is our 3/4 staff. Thank you, Ashes Smith. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah. So that's just a fine small detail for stone and bone carving. That's why I'm sticking to wood. Oh, in progress, bro. You didn't have to give subs, brother. These are some of our... Is it my one? Is it my one? Nah, must have got sold. Ratchet. So these are just some of our traditional flutes we have. Sorry about the glare. This one, they did a cast with the resin one here. Oh well, so these two here, this one and this one, were done by one of my tutors. Sharing your culture, brother. Oh, I'm happy to, brother. Nice and free. So much for the stream today. I really need to get some sleep. Oh, have a good sleep, Charm. Okay. Oh no, my taiaha is gone. Okay, must have got sold. So here's just two different variations of taiaha, which is the most renowned weapon we have, which is that 3/4 staff. But difference being with ours, it's never made to be thrown. Are those for smoking? No, they're not. Yeah, so there it is here. So these two here are made out of Maori, which is an NZ hardwood, like ironwood, the one that smells like piss when you cut it. And this is just another popo. So I just wanted to showcase some of the pieces that have been produced by past graduates. Can I give you a gaming computer? No need to, brother. Panda gave me one. You keep it for you. And that old carver guy I was talking to earlier, so he carved this as well. So he obviously didn't carve the gun, but you know, if anyone wants to buy it, I believe it. Oh, there, $9,000. If anyone's got a spare 9k, they can buy this gun. It's a bolt action, yeah, bro. Along with our whalebone and Just some of our... So this one here is bronze casted, this tifo tifo. Oh bro, the UB40's playing, I might get banned. I'm gonna go in here. Sorry, I just realised. Yeah, so this is a walking stick or a toko toko, like an orator stick. So Fanta, this is something that I'm gonna carve for you. Because it's what you wanted. An orator stick or a walking stick. So I hope you're here, Fanta. Yeah, I gotta be aware of the music that's playing around me, eh? Oh, James done that one. So yeah, that's another patu here, bronze casted tikis. Lots of streamers play songs still and aren't banned. Oh, I just don't want to risk it because then I can't carve for you guys. Yeah, all good. I'll watch it. Here's some more, guys. So we have our onewa, which is our grey wacky stone, and a maripi. So it's kind of like got shark teeth. So it was more for ripping. Boomerang. I want a nude cup holder. Oh. So there's that kotiate again, guys. As I mentioned, the notches before used to catch organs. Yeah, mate, that's awesome. Yeah, I got you, Fanta. All good. So there's some more. So yeah, these are the wahaika, those ones I mentioned earlier, along with a simplified tuki with the pounamu on the end as well. So these were our original carving tools. Was there lots of war among your ancestors? Yeah, bro, tribes warred all the time for land and whatnot. Oh, just some bronze casted pieces here. How much are they? So this one is 1200, 1950, and 2500. Yeah. So move to the next one. Mrs. Broxh is going to open it up for us. So there's some more jewellery, necklaces, these ones here. So there. Ooh, this is a bit low. My back is pretty sore.
What's this one?
Hang on, little Mustang. Hang on, don't pull it out too far. Then Dad has to pay for it. Can you buy anything online? I'm not sure. I'll ask if they have a website. Those look pristine. Oh, thanks, brother. Yeah, just all done by past students. And again. So, down there is used more as a teething tool for kids. Oh, here's a closer version. You can see my face. Is that your wife and daughter? Hopefully my wife one day. She's not keen yet. This is a dog bowl. It's kind of just used for what a bowl's used for, really. Do you need permission to stream from museums and art galleries? Oh, I shouldn't need to myself because I'm a part of this place. Want to go visit a museum? Oh, true, brother. Have anything you have carved and put on display? Yeah, but I don't want to sound like that guy, but they've all been sold. Because it's been years since I've graduated. Those real Broxh, they most definitely are real. Everything in here is real. Even that. What's Ahu mean? It's just the name of the gallery. What's the name of the museum? It's not a museum, bro. It's a gallery within Te Puia, showcasing some of the students' works. Yeah. Your big mouth is echoing. So there's a paddle, guys. Done by that master carver, the old guy, Yoda. All adorned with figures. So in terms of small carvings, I might do something like this. Or small figures anyway for you guys. Yoda, yeah. So the master carvers up here, we call them Yoda. And my grandfather, the one I was talking to, did this. It's a variation of a large water baler. I don't think I know anyone that's going to bail out water with that unless you're on a cruise ship, I guess. Anyone ever carve a trident? We haven't carved tridents. They're similar to bird spears, I would say. Which one? Oh yeah, oh true, it's on display. So here's a piece of my brother's that he's finished. Here it is, mighty, it's 5,400. Rather just ask him if he can do one for free. Here it is there. So this was done by my little brother. And you can probably see why I look up to him as being a mean carver. Is that his daughter? Yeah, but we came out and had a family day. Yeah, so that's something there. Are you real, Broxh? Oh, well, I think so. And just more intricate art done by our ancestors, as you can see. How old is your brother? He's 28. He's a year younger than myself. So there as well, just some more intricate art done by Stacey. Ooh, that actually looks pretty nice. I wouldn't mind that. Can we get a clip for these as well? Just for Panda to see, especially something like that. Is she your sister? That's my partner. Oh, check. I was just showing them your tuki. Should buy it. Oh. I'll see if Panda wants it, eh? Just clip it so you can see it. Because he wants a taonga. If I'm going to make one, I'm going to do it myself. How do we get a carving from me? I'll be producing soon, brother. Yeah, it all comes in time. Thanks for the clips, guys. Yeah. So here's some more art done by some of the mini students. It's probably my favourite, done by Rick. So that's the traditional tiki shape. Jade body armor. Oh, doesn't really sound good. Cub seems restless. Oh, bro, she's on the go all the time. Hey, hey. And this piece here, this taurapa, was done by my grandfather, the one I was catching up with. And I don't want to show the front of it because the family jewels are hanging out. Oh, sorry.
Like doing it right in front.
Oh. She'll be getting tired. Yeah, she's going to have a good sleep. So this is the photo of the first intake, guys. Which one's your teacher? Don't know.
Cool. Rainy.
Looks like this one. Is this Reedy here?
Does it have their names?
No. Oh, he's down the bottom. But these two gentlemen here, guys,
Yeah, I think it is one.
are the master carvers
Oh no, I think it's him.
of the current institute now. So that's them there. And that's John Taipa, Hone Taipa, who was the master carver. Yeah. Since when has your family been carving? Oh, 4 generations. Can't give you a timestamp. So that's the first intake there, guys. Yeah. Handsome blokes there. Whānau, yeah. That's how I see the chat. Whānau family. Bit of a bougie promotional video. Yeah. There's my grandfather there. Hey, there's my there's me and my brother. Eesh. Even I haven't seen this. Is there any way we can donate to Ahua? I don't believe so, brother. Funny that. Looks like I'm still in here. Nah, this is the first time I'll clip it. Yeah, so we won't be going into the souvenir shops. They sell those touristy carvings. They're not as intricate as ones done by ourselves. Famous in New Zealand, bro. I'd rather be famous here than the world, brother. So that's where we were just before. In that typical village setup. How many carvers would I say are working today? Probably like a good 8, I would say. And most of them are students. Learning about wood carving. But I'm glad I got to bring you guys up here. We're not finished yet though. Almost. So there's our modern hangi. A steam hangi, but I prefer the dirt ones because it has more flavour. Has NZ tourism been affected by COVID? Yeah, bro. I lost my job because of it, and I was doing what the brother's doing. So when the COVID crisis started and lockdown came into play, the schools actually got shut down. Now, I wasn't a part of the schools at the time, but my heart dropped there, knowing that. Okay. We'll go out there and show the big wall panels. And that's us. Okay. Oh, someone's using a drone. What do you use to treat the wood? Oh, any manner of like stains or linseed oils. Traditionally they used red ochre clay mixed with shark liver oil. Oh, I don't want to go through there. Oh, yeah, we'll just go out that way. Oh, it's alright. Oh, we'll go out that way then. Oh, I'll show them a photo of me. As a student. No, I'm not being that guy. Hey, the Farmer John, thank you, brother. Bro, if you're new to the channel, you don't have to give subs or sub yourself or bits. What is your favourite native wood to carve with? What's my favourite native wood to carve with? Well, anything that's nice and free. So this is, so the institute I'm in here is actually that building there. Hey, get out the way, my good camera shot. Oh. So that's the old institute there. And this is it when I was a student. Hey, he's in my shot, get. So there's my brother there, and there's me behind him, and my uncle Ben, and there's our master carver, Yoda, and there's my tutor at the back there. I was taught by most of the tutors because, like, if one wasn't in work, I'll ask someone else. And this is the guy who accepted me into the school. He's someone I look up to in the carving world. Cuts Maihi, so he's got his traditional face tattoos. So yeah. So these old, yeah. Me as a student with my cheesy ass smile. Yeah. So we're closing in on the end of our stream, guys. Not yet though. Let's get out of the shade here, because damn it's cold. Look at this one trying to climb up the wall. The only place face tattoos are cool. Okay, so we're gonna make our way up now. Hey, you ready? So much energy, eh, guys? Good evening, freak. Oh, surely these sliding doors can open.
I don't know, we'll soon find out.
Surely.
Oh, they don't.
Oh. You go that way? Oh, sure.
Riley, come
Get
on.
the exclusive door open. Oh, thank you. Cheers, bro.
Yeah, all good. How are you?
Good, good, thank you. Kia ora.
See everyone?
Yeah, that's us. To go out that way. Ooh, step Illidan emote. How's she not tired? Just loves being outside, bro. Loves nature. Like myself. Hey, fork knife from Dublin. How you doing, brother? Cheer, my bro. Nah, just known here, bro. I'm no VIP. I want to see you, Haka, bro. Oh, one day, brother. I'm still too shy to do it. So here's some more carvings done by students of old. So I'm going to go in the middle. So that stone there is actually greenstone. When tourists come in, they touch the water, rub their hands on it for good luck. So here we are in the middle of, this is actually the starting area, but surrounding us are the many gods in our culture. These were the ones that helped separate their parents, carved in many forms. Because my real name is Ihaka. Oh, cheer, brother, Ihaka. Yeah, so all these pieces here, the accent was accurate. Oh, glad I did it justice, brother. So these are just some of our carvings. So one thing I can tell you about this carving, that it was done by a student in the 30-second intake. Yeah, so he left his little mark on there. Now you come around. So it has many like descriptions on the gods here. So he resided in the 11th heaven, seeking upmost heaven, who sought an audience with the supreme god. Had to do so through Rehua, who purified their spirits. So this god here, Tāne Mahuta would have met with him as he climbed the heavens. Gee, he's got a bit of a fresh stain on him too. Oh, they all do. So we'll make our way around. So here's our next one. Looks nice. How do you donate? So the link is just below the stream, brother, if you want to donate to Starship. And some of the mods will post the link as well. Yeah. So I'll show you guys all of them, just so you can get an idea of how the work that we do. This is all cosmic. Cheer, brother. Yeah, so you see the designs here on the side. Right up there's that bird form again. Honestly, this is one of the best Twitch streams I've ever seen. Learned so much. Oh, thanks, brother Fanta. Yeah, so you see the Pakati design I was talking about? So here, those notches along with the cuts here. Oh, look, this is Tāne Mahuta. This is the one that climbed the heavens to receive the baskets of knowledge. So here's his description. Tāne is the god of the forest. He was responsible for the separation, which I talked about yesterday. Tāne laid on his back and then using his legs thrust his father, so that leg press form I was talking about enabled Tāne and his siblings to escape into the world of light. So yeah, that's what I was talking about, the darkness, the Big Bang. How we start with darkness, light, bang, and then the people came after that. loving the motto and studying the carvings. Oh, cheer, brother. Yeah. So there's a lot here, eh? There's a lot of carvings and stuff to learn here as well. So this fella here is Tū Mātauinga. So he's our god of war. As you can see, if he's these, I'll just show you his description anyway. So he's the god of war, introduced opposing forces into the world and oppressed, slaying his parents. He has always been determined to gain control over his brothers, which is why men fight. And that is bloody true as well. Oh, probably not me and my brother though. Yeah, so this is our form of Kratos or Ares, what we call him Tū Mātauinga. Never skip leg day. So this is Rongomatane, who is the god of peace. Yeah, so there, many children, eh? Do you want to go? Okay, I'll just explain a few more. Don't want to leave her in the wind too long. Yeah, so you can see how far it's protruding out the side. You can imagine the amount of wood they went through. So yeah, for pieces of this size, this is when you would want to utilise a chainsaw. I wanted to visit NZ and the stream got me hyped. Thank you for the great tour, brother. Oh, cheers, Dr. Biz. Oh, I'm happy to help, bro. Oh, happy to tour, eh? Just want to showcase everything. Have fun. I hope you had fun. I mean, there was a few parts walking up that hill when I started heavy breathing, but that's why I just breathe out the other side. So this is Tawhiri Mātia, god of the wind and storms, but difference with this one, he's actually got eyes. Are they fireproof? No, they're wood. So yeah, there's the one. Tawhiri Mātia is the god of natural elements, wind, storms. So as I said before, so he didn't agree on the separation, remained with his dad, Ranginui, the Sky Father, and he continues to inflict destruction on his brothers as a reminder of his disappointment in the actions. So you know how you see storms like damaging the earth, smashing it up. There's the example there. So yeah, oh, there's Ang. That's Ang. Becken wants to say these pieces are amazing, just like yours. Oh, thanks, Melly's OP. Oh, I wouldn't say I'm as good as them, but thanks, brother. Yeah, so this is our man here, Tangaroa, god of the sea and the god of carving. So this is their version of depicting the bro. So this is him here. So he's responsible for carving for our people. So I'll just show you his thing anyway. God of the sea, lakes, rivers, like any manner of water. Maori believe that the source of their carving traditions, as I explained the origins of carving to you guys, which were passed down from generation to generation. So as I mentioned, that how our ancestors played an important role as handing these critical skills down to us. Broxh, is this a museum? No, this is just like a tourist attraction, brother. So this is Moko. I mentioned that Moko was the youngest out of all the gods, and he's responsible for earthquakes and eruptions. So he's still in his mother's tummy, and you could say that the contractions and all that, the earthquakes and eruptions are contractions. So he's Poseidon. Yeah, pretty much, bro. From Greek culture. And yeah, this is Moko, who is the youngest. Have a blessed day. Oh, Mellies, you didn't have to give bits. The one viewer rates. Hey, doesn't matter how big the number is, bro. It's the thought that counts. And appreciate everyone that's been rating today as well. And donating to Starship. Supporting with subs, gifteds and bits as well. You didn't have to. So yeah, there's that takarangi design again that Maya was asking about. Poseidon with an arts degree. My man. Okay, where did my family go? So this guy here, his name's Fiddle. Now what he did when Tāne Mahuta was trying to ascend the heavens is try and beat him to the baskets of knowledge, because that's the brother. And so instead of climbing up the heavens, he actually went around, took the long way around, took the easy way, and he was sent. So he's kind of the god of mischief, a Loki, or in that form, and he's the god of negative things and all that. So this guy wouldn't belong in our chat. So he'll probably get banned if he was in our chat. And yeah, this is him here. He obviously didn't win because Tanya got the baskets of knowledge. They left you. Yeah, hardy. I don't know. Oh, there they are. Oh, she got some chips. Okay, that's us. So I'm going to show you 3 more carvings, guys. And that's going to be our stream for today. So we got to walk up. Damn, the cafe's open. He's the DMCA god. I think we'll call him that, brother. Thank you for the tour. Oh, you're all good, Yanzu. We're not finished just yet. I'm going to show you 3 more major projects that I've been a part of. And there's some of the largest ones I've done. Come on. Come on. You can sit in your pram and eat your chips. Still streaming Saturday, Sunday? Yeah, brother, of course. For Starship, brother. All week. Come on. Come and sit in your pram. Get a pie? Nah, I'm all good. Come on, sit in your pram. Little monkey. Here what? Here's your beverage. Oh. And let's go up to our last pieces there. Okay, let's make our way up to our last pieces, guys. The reappearance of the cute one, yeah. See, so our last 3 pieces are just around the corner there. And they're some of the largest projects I've done here, but there are bigger ones that I've been a part of as well. Nah, not even.
That's a big video, isn't it?
Sure, my boy. So before we go up to our final pieces, Timor is streaming with. Oh, nice! We'll give her a host today. Glad we get to catch Timor. So this is a waharoa, another variation here. As you can see, there's 2. Whakia thunder. So there's 2 like renowned ancestors that come here from Rotorua, which are Hinemoa, the female, and Tutanekai. So there's a island in the middle of Lake Rotorua where Tutanekai would play his flute, and Hinemoa lived in a tribe on the eastern side of Rotorua, and they met at a tribal gathering and obviously fell instantly in love. And yeah, so many of the generations throughout Rotorua are actually their descendants. Hello. Hello. Okay, here's our last 3 pieces. Piece number 1. This traditional style is done in Ngāti Whakaue, which is one of the main tribes here in Rotorua. These three pieces are just more showcasing the tribal styles that we have here. And in the middle we have Pukaki, who's quite a renowned ancestor here in Rotorua, New Zealand, I would say, and he's on the 20-cent coin. So that little face down the bottom, I carved most of that. Oh well, I wouldn't say all of it, but I helped out in little bits here and there. So that's piece number 1. Piece number 2 is one you might see on the Instagram with me and the brother. And so I was part of this project too. And so my brother did the top figure, and the Brohami, who's in the school as well, did the bottom one. So this particular style is Ngāti Pikio, and that's one of the tribes I descend from here. So that's this big fella here. Or abalone shell as well, guys. So yeah, they've been here for a number of years now. And I wonder if you can see the brother's name on the side here. No, it's right at the top. Unlucky. And our final piece for today, guys, is Ngāti Tarawhai. Now this particular tribe, they were one of the most renowned carving tribes we have here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. And yeah, their style is next level. So this is the piece here. So this is these 3 pieces took us about 6 months, I believe, if I can remember correctly. As you can see, the 2 main figures. So there's many different figures that are incorporated into the design. We'll go a bit closer. So within this section alone, there's like what, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 faces. So wherever the abalone shell is, guys, other than the tongues, is pretty much a figure. Now, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to thank you all for today. Bro, it's actually was good to get out of the shed and showcase just some of the many talents we have here in terms of carving. And thank you very much, guys, for today. People that have contributed towards Starship, I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, and I really appreciate it, to help out this children's hospital. And so we got 2 more days dedicated to Starship, the weekend. And thank you very much that's gifted subs and bits today as well. Just remember, guys, for next time, yous don't have to. And shout out to the mods as well for holding the chat down. Oh, mind you, we're pretty good, eh? You get the odd egg in here now and again. So what we're going to do now, guys, going to host the sister T-mod. She's a mod as well. I've been trying to bloody host her for ages, to be honest. So appreciate it, guys, and I'm going to go and have a pie now. I think I deserve one.